Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. Today I am having a clean day. I've just been washing down all my paintings that have got silicone. These three don't have silicone in them, so I can just spray them. But what I thought I'd do, I've actually got 3 different spray cans here. I've been collecting. Let me show you what they are. We've got the Nuart Artist Choice Crystal Clear, got the Halma Crystal Coat Gloss Varnish, and the Reno Art Gloss Varnish. Now, this one's $34, this one's $28, and this one's $17. This is New Zealand prices here in Rotorua. Bought them from shops in Rotorua. So I'm going to spray each of these monochromes, one with each, keep a track of which one I did with which one, and see how they come out. And I thought, seeing as they're all the same paints, we should get a very similar result and see what magic gets created and which one we want to stick with. So I'm going to start with the Nuart. This is the one I've used a lot of. Sorry, $31.40, not $34. Hold 20 to 25 centimeters away, 45-degree angle, side to side. It's a heavy-bodied clear acrylic resin which cannot be removed with mild solvents. It actually doesn't specify paintings, prints, drawings, photographs, documents, crafts, copper, metal, wood, etc. It doesn't actually say paint. Oh well, let's see what happens. I'm going to go downwind, which is down that way, to spray so that I don't get any cross-contamination. Always remember to do the sides, and I always go both ways. I go across the grain and with the grain. So I'm going to be doing 2 coats. That's a nice even coat, and it's popped those colours back out quite nicely. So I'm going to put the can at the end, upside down, clear the nozzle. There we go. Put the lid on the can and put that down there next to it. The next one is a Halma Crystal Coat Gloss Varnish. This one comes in a matte as well. And provides a crystal clear, permanent gloss, protective and flexible finish to your drawings, fine art, prints, photographs, watercolours, pastels, oil and acrylic paintings, scrapbooking, papercraft, art and craft projects, wood, metal, plastic, glass, etc. Protects from dirt, dust, fading, moisture, discoloration and abrasion. Is acid free, archival safe and non-yellowing. So let's try that one out on this one. Oh, it's much stickier. It's much stickier. It felt like it was under a lot more pressure. I'm not sure whether that's because it's got more in the can or not. But it's a nice even coat. And it's drying almost instantly. This one says touch dry in 5 to 10 minutes and respray in 4 hours. Completely dry in 24 hours. So, and third, this one I've never used before, I've only just got it. Suitable for oil and acrylic. Gloss varnish is acid free, will provide a clear and gloss finish to your artworks. It protects the paint surface from dust and UV radiation. So no claims about non-yellowing. So these monochromes is a good test of that, whether they're yellow or not, because you've got white in there. Shake well, at least 30 centimeters away, preferably in placing the artwork in a vertical position. Oh, I didn't clean the nozzle on this one. Alright, let's give it a go. It's a bit closer than 30 centimeters. I just realised this is a bit dusty actually. Should have dusted these first. Not quite so even. Let's get that. Couple of hairs. Okay, so that one's not quite so even. But it looks like it's coated the whole thing, which is awesome. At first look, the new coat is definitely giving it a shinier, more glossy feel. The crystal coat, not so much. So it may be a case of you get what you pay for, but I'm going to give these 4 hours because I think that's the longest recoat time. This one doesn't actually say a recoat time. So I'll give it 4 hours and then I'll give them a second coat and see how that goes. Okay, so life happens and it is the next day, not 4 hours later. How's it get any better than that? So it's a quick look at these each before we do the next coat. This one's the Nuart and it's quite shiny. It's got nice shine to it, nice coverage to it. So let's give it coat number 2. Downwind. Oh, wind's going the other way today. There was no wind when I was setting up. No wind at all. And now? How's it get any better than that? Thank you, wind. Alright. The crystal coat gloss. Well, it's definitely glossier than it was without anything, but it's nowhere near got the gloss of the Nuart. Always make sure to cover ear edges when you're spraying. And this one's the Reno art. And this, yeah, the least shiny of them all. You can see it's been sealed. I can see the patches of where I got more on and less on. Not sure if you can, if this is. So now I had something happen yesterday that I've never had happen before, and that is my arm started getting itchy. And the only thing I can think that would be is this Reno art, because I've not used it before. And I've never had any itch on my arm before from the other two. So, or maybe it's just the combination of the three of them all in one go. Who knows? But it didn't last for long. It was just an awareness that I had. So I'm going to let those dry and I will come back to you with the results. Hello and welcome back. Welcome forward. Welcome forward, really. It's a couple of days later. And I have only just had a chance to get back to this video. So here's the Nuart. As I said in the last part of the video, it's quite shiny. It's got a real gloss to it, real luxurious gloss to it, and I'm not sure. It's not very sunny today, so I'm not sure how well this will get picked up in the video. It's definitely got a luxurious gloss to it. It's quite yummy. This one is the Crystal Coat. It is glossier than it was after the first coat. Not quite as glossy. But it's still brought the colour of the black back to life, and yeah, quite pleased with that one. That one looks really good. Almost feels like it needs another coat though, like to come up to par with the other one. And this one, well, this one's definitely changed after the second coat. This is the Reno Art Gloss Varnish. There is a huge difference from the first coat. The first coat, it looked very patchy. It looked almost matte in places, but it's looking very much better now. It's not as high gloss as the Nuart. It's definitely not. Doesn't feel like it's got a layer of clear plastic over it like the Nuart does. And so yeah, I think I'm happy to use all three of them. They definitely give a different. If I want the higher gloss, I'll definitely go for the Nuart. But just for everyday paintings, I'm pretty sure that the other two, the cheaper two, $17, $28 and $31. So, you know, it depends what you're after, and I'll be quite happy to continue using the Reno art for most of my pieces. So how's it get any better than that? Thanks for joining me for this little exploration, and how much fun can you have exploring what works for you in your paintings? Bye bye.